Good morning, everyone. Today we are discussing about the topic of the fourth unit of the subject EE3020 Smart System Automation, that is Body Area Network BAN. On completion of this topic, students will be able to understand about the body area network. So basically, BAN stands for Body Area Network, is a communication system used by the device that work on or inside the human body or animals. It is used in medical, electronic and entertainment applications. BAN developed from wireless sensor network which are part of large network group called Personal Area Network. BAN consists of small devices called nodes. Nodes are the small electronic devices placed or in or around the human body that collect, process or transmit data. These nodes, the capability of the nodes is what it can control, sense, process data and communicate with each other wirelessly. BAN work around the human body. It collect and monitor body signal, physical activities and environmental data. It can also process and store this information. BAN is not only used outside the body, it can also be implemented inside the body to perform special medical tasks. So, some examples of body area network are smartwatch, chest patch sensor that is basically used to monitor ECG signals. Next is blood pressure monitor worn on the arm, a glucose meter attached to the skin. All these devices are connected via short range wireless technology like Bluetooth and send data to the patient's smartphone. The smartphone then forwards the information to where the hospital's monitoring system. So, the architecture of BAN, it consists of four layers. First layer is physical layer, next is medium access control layer, network layer and application layer. So physical layer, that is the first layer. Layer is the lowest and most basic layer in a BAN. It is responsible for sending and receiving raw data signal between two devices. Different frequency bands are used for communication around the human body. The 403 MHz band is mainly used for implanted medical sensors. So other frequencies like 13.5 MHz, 400 MHz, 900 MHz, 2.4 GHz and 3.1 to 10.6 GHz are used for sensor placed on the body. Usually radio signal travel around the body instead of passing through it. This can cause problem if two implemented sensors are placed on opposite side of the body because the signal may not reach properly and some data can be lost. Next is medium access control layer. In BAN, all sensor nodes use the same wireless channel to send data. The MAC layer control how the nodes used to use the shared channels. There are two type of MAC protocol: scheduled based BAN. That is, each node is given a fixed time slot to send data, so node take turns. This avoid packet collisions. Next is contention based MAC. Nodes decide by themselves when to send data. Many nodes may try at the time. This method is more practical and flexible for BAN. Contention based MAC is commonly used because it can handle more devices easily. Next is network layer. It is responsible for sending data packet correctly and finding the best path from one node to another node. So in ZigBee network, two main routing protocol are AODV, that is Advanced HOC On-Demand Distance Vector. It find a route only when needed. HERA, that is Hierarchical Routing Algorithm. It uses a layered or hierarchical structure to build and manage the network. Other routing protocol are SPIN and TEEN. Next is application layer. In application layer, the main component is the operating system, that is OS. The OS controls and manage part like radio, sensors, timers and memory. It also provides simple APIs so the application can easily use the system. So, in operating system in a band is simple, lightweight because sensor not have limited power, memory and processing ability. So that's all about body area network. Hope all of you understood about the basics of body area network. That's all. Thank you.